Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 949 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Ciate London Wonderwand mascara, and I'm very excited to try this out because this is a super high rated mascara. It's supposed to give 5 times the volume. It's cruelty free and vegan. And what I have here is a sample size that I got in Ipsy, but the full-size version retails for $22. You can get it at Sephora. I try out lots of mascaras on my channel, so I'm very picky, but this one, based on the claims, sounds like it's going to be amazing. It's supposed to last all day long and look freshly applied from the time you apply it to the end of the night. It's supposed to be lengthening, defining, and curling. It's also clump free. Wow, that's a lot of great claims. Let's see if it lives up to those. So first I'm gonna check out the wand. Ooh, it's kind of got an hourglass shape to it, which looks nice. So here you can see what that looks like. So a variation in bristle lengths. All right, so I'm gonna start out and apply it to one of my eyes. Ooh. I noticed right away that it has a good way of gripping the lashes. And I'm noticing all of the lashes getting coated and staying nice and separated. I did already just get some mascara on my eyelid, just because I kind of touched the wand to my eyelid. But wow, ooh, I'm already liking this, and this is just the first quick application, but all of the lashes are coated, separated, so they're already looking defined, lengthened, and a bit volumized, but I think I'm going to be able to get more volume out of these. I'm also going to go ahead and try it on the lower lashes. It's a little bit of a big wand for the lower lashes. So it's a little tricky for me to get those lower lashes, but it does something. I also am seeing no clumping, so it seems to be living up to that claim as well. So that's the first layer. That was so quick and really nice. I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can layer up the volume even more. Yeah. It's definitely buildable. This second layer is making the lashes look even darker, more volumized, lengthened. And I do see some curling happening too. Yeah, like when I look all the way up, my lashes touch my brow bone, and that's when I can test and see if they're actually curling. So this mascara is doing everything. It's lengthening, it's curling, and it's volumizing with no clumping and with the lashes staying separated. Oh, this is beautiful. This is exactly what I like in my mascara. However, it did say 5 times the volume, and this is actually not super volumizing compared to other mascaras I've tried before. So I'm gonna try and layer up even more. So third coat, it does layer up beautifully because it doesn't clump and it doesn't make the lashes stick together. So I feel like I can just keep layering and layering, and the lashes are getting thicker and more volumized, and seriously looking better the more I apply. Like, it's not a heavy mascara that's weighing the lashes down. It's almost like the more I apply, the longer and more lifted they look as well. So it is the type of mascara that I feel like I have to spend a lot of time on to layer up to get the best effect from it. But oh my gosh, it's so worth it because now my lashes look 5 times as volumized. Looks like I have 5 times as many lashes. The type of mascara where I don't feel like I need to wear falsies because the lashes are looking so full. Like, it looks like I have lash strips in my lashes already, but it's just the mascara because it's that volumizing. And I only got that little bit of mascara on my eyelid from when I touched the wand to my eye. Just wipe that away. Oh, I love it. So let me do a zoomed in view to show you the difference. It's amazing. It seriously lives up to those high ratings. It lives up to the claims. Oh, I get so excited when a mascara does everything it claims and everything I'm hoping for it to do. All right, and then I'm just going to apply it to the other eye and come back with my final thoughts. My only complaint is that I wish it was super volumizing right away rather than having to spend so much time layering it up. But since the effect of layering the mascara is so impressive, I'm fine with it and it's worth it to me, but it is just something to keep in mind. I also feel like I'm going to use this mascara up pretty quickly since I keep dipping the wand back in and picking up more product. And since I'm layering on so much product, I think I'm going to go through this pretty fast. And I love a mascara like this, which feels very light on the lashes, but it doesn't look light. There's so much volume going on, but it's a super light formula which allows the lashes to curl and really layer up the volume. And so here we have my finished mascara. I am so happy with how my lashes look. This mascara is so good. Let me know if you have tried out this mascara before, or just let me know what your favorite mascaras are these days. I love getting your recommendations for products in general, so if there's any products you want to see me try out in this Trying a New Makeup Product Everyday series, let me know in the comments down below. I'm kind of feeling in the mood to do a makeup purchase soon, so let me get some recommendations. And thank you so much for watching this video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.